Good evening, all of you. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to one more session of your WOC. Today, we are going to start your next chapter, that is chemical kinetics. As you have seen, it is very cold here, so that's the reason I'm wearing this jacket. Nothing to worry. So, let us start with your chemical kinetics. As I said, little bit, let me maximize it. 1 second. All right. This is your chemical kinetics chapter, students. As you have seen in this chapter, everything line by line is done by me. So carefully observe. Yes, you're able to see. Suppose this is your NCERT chapter, chemical kinetics. You all know we started with the first chapter, solutions, correct? Then electrochemistry, then chemical kinetics, unit 3. Now what is important is you have MCQs for your board exams, correct? So we need to learn NCERT based page wise line by line MCQs. So see this NCERT page number 95. This is the question which is designed. So gradually topic wise introduction, okay, spelling not a problem. It's gradually we are going with the MCQ. Then I'm taking you into next concept, that is rate of the reaction. So page number 99, in rate of the reaction, gradually there are MCQs which are asked in different ways. So different questions, page number 9, this is 101, 100, 101, like 99, 97, 109. All the MCQs whatever are there, in what way they can ask you, everything is designed in the form of MCQ, and you are going to go through the question. Solutions are also done, everything is given in this particular thing. So carefully observe how did I frame a question, what are the possible MCQs and how they will ask you. If you study this, 100% you will, yes, 100% you will get full marks. Now gradually I'm going into the next MCQ as I showed you. So based on this rate of the reaction, this rate of a chemical reaction, these are all the possible questions asked in different pages. 97, 98, 99, everything is from NCERT only. So there are two advantages. If you study this, you can also get through your NEET examination perfectly, and that NEET examination you can, because everything is given from NCERT line by line. So this is a double advantage for CBSE, for your JEE as well as NEET examination also. Yes, right. So gradually I am going into the next topic. Yes, so first order rate loss, rather questions based on your first order, questions based on your zero order, NCERT, this such questions are very important. The many more I'll show you gradually. Then from there I went into a concept called factors influencing rate of a reaction. This comes under page number 102, 103. So in under factors, what questions are asked, all the things along with the options A, B, C, D are given, and how to solve this also I have given. All right, gradually from there we go into what is the next topic, you tell me. After factors we are going into a topic. Yes, more questions are there. Yes, there are more and more questions based on the factors and even the rate law units. I mean the zero order, the first order, the second order. Yes, so all these questions whatever are there, gradually I have taken into the different parts. Graphical based questions based on order of the reaction, questions based on everything rather. So such questions, like graphical based questions are, kinetic study of certain data. All these questions are very important. Not one question, students, it goes on. Such questions are compulsory questions in your board exam. I will write and give it to you. Yes, so NCERT page number 101, then gradually page number 104, like that. All the questions including your everything rather. If I have to tell you, it doesn't take, it is not overnight preparation. It takes a lot of time for us to compile, prepare and give it to you all. I know you're all my loved students, so if I can help, because God has given us, God has sent us on this earth, if I'm of any use, I feel grateful, and I really thank God for giving me this responsibility. All right, thank you so much. Now just like then gradually we are going into integrated rate loss. As I said, the graphical based questions are very important. So based on the integrated this one, they will give you the graph and they'll ask you which the particular graph represents zero order, first order, second order. From there, gradually we are going into, as I said, based on the units, based on the half-life period formulas, based on your log value, finding the log value, giving the anti-log value, calculating half-life period, calculating rate constant, like that, page wise I have taken into different concepts for you all. Okay, not even a single page is left for your board exam. Everything is covered. It is not one question, it is not two questions, it is gradually, if I have to tell you, I'll show you, students, because the PDF is too big. We are still here only because this includes everything: your notes, your 1 mark questions, your 2 mark questions, 3 mark questions, 5 mark questions. Oh my god, Vani ma'am has not left a single thing for you all. It is not one, it is not two, it is like line by line. Isn't it difficult? Yes. From here we are going to go to pseudo first order reaction. Yes. Then after that, pseudo first order, very important question, that is in page number 112. From there we are going into temperature dependent, means what is the concept, or what is the effect of temperature on rate of the reaction. That also compulsory. This is the whole thing where we go gradually into the concept, different calculation of activation energy, calculation of rate constant, half-life period. Oh my god, you see, not easy, it's very difficult, but everything is for free for you all only, because you're my loved ones, isn't it? Yes, without you all, WOC is nothing, students. So stay connected for long. It's a request from Vani ma'am. All right. From there, gradually I am taking you into different questions like this. NCERT page 114, 115, like that. All the questions, whatever are there, collision theory of chemical. As I told you, no, not only for CBNC, it is useful for your JE exam, it is useful for your this NEET examination also. Triple the mark, CBSE, JE and NEET students. From after the MCQs are over, NCERT exemplar questions also, because all put together in one file, right? NCERT exemplar questions, past years NEET questions, and everything are there in this. So gradually we are going into the previous year's questions, PYQs also there, then graphical based questions from your NCERT. Compulsory such questions are asked. Very important. I'm again telling you, students, practice these chapters: electrochemistry, solutions, chemical kinetics. Oh, you will, your physical chemistry, you will become 100%, you will become like a pro, if I have to tell you. Any doubt, any point of time, you can ask me. Vani ma'am is here only. She is there with you all since 7 years, and there again for next 7 years, the next 20 years, till God gives me life. Yes. So all the graphical years based questions. Now again, NEET questions for the NEET students, those who are there, those who are preparing, that also is given year wise. Everything is covered in this file. It is not one question, it is not two, it is line by line NCERT. Yes, loved the file, students, loved. Yes, finally they are MCQs answers here. Yes, gradually NCERT exemplar questions, and I didn't leave it here. Here finally the questions which are there, the hints are also given here. See here, hints are also given, hints and solutions for each question wise, question 1, 2, 3, like that. Everything is solved so that it is easy for you to see the question and study the answer from that. So careful, nothing to worry, please don't panic. This is all from NCERT only, so you can study confidently. And as I said, if you study all these 3 chapters, you will become a pro in physical chemistry. Yes, you'll become a pro, because I have not left a single line of NCERT. So promise me that you will be studying on regular basis. Till now I uploaded solutions chapter, I uploaded electrochemistry, now this is chemical kinetics. If anything is left anywhere, if you feel, yes ma'am, I didn't understand, I am there for you all. Yes, I'm there for you all. You will please ask me without hesitation, ma'am, I didn't understand this. Please ask me, please tell me, please allow me, and anything I will surely get back to you. Okay. Yes, so all the questions are there with the answers. How many are there total? 88 are there. Now exercise 2 for your practice questions. See, I gave this practice questions also. Try it. If you don't understand, ask me. Yes, practice question 1, practice question 2 means this is just like a worksheet type of thing. Worksheet, all are there in the worksheet. Any doubt you can ask, and that particular solutions are also there. Okay, till here it is perfect. Till here everything is covered. Now what else is left? You also should know the notes, right? So from here your notes will start. Please see here, I'll zoom it. Your notes will start. See here, chemical kinetics notes, what points are there, what are there, everything is there covered in this. All the notes are there, rate laws are there, question definitions are there, order of the reaction, everything rather, students. Okay, units, all the units of your zero order, first order, second order. Yes, mechanism of rate law, the graphical representation is here. Okay, integrated rate equation, everything. If you ask me this, it is there here. So everything is put together, everything is combined together, everything is given here. Not only that, the units, now here again you have MCQ questions. See here, these MCQ questions are there, different types of MCQ question where you can practice further. More and more you study, more and more perfect you will become. So from the MCQs, gradually we are going into the next topic. What is the next topic after MCQs? Yes, your fill in the blanks. For state government students, they have fill in the blanks also. So this also will help you to remember the words of the terminology. Then I took into assertion reasoning type questions. These are the assertion reasoning type questions. Compulsory in your MCQs you'll be getting assertion reasoning type questions. Gradually from there you will take up into one word answers. You have 1 mark questions. Yes, 1 mark questions are given here. After that, from there gradually very short answers, that is 1 mark with the answers. These are the questions and these are the answers you have. From there, very short answers. We are going into gradually short answer questions also. So all the very short answers are covered, means you will come into short answer, 2 marks or 3 marks questions. Here all the numerical based questions are given. So gradually study the numerical based questions. Again I'm telling you, I did one shot videos, I did numericals, I did derivations, everything is sent in the Telegram. Alright, so your one shot videos, watch it carefully so that it is easy for you to study this. Alright, in your 2 mark and 3 marks questions there are a lot of numericals, as you have seen. Now after that, this 2 marks and 3 marks questions, what is important? Yes, you said it right. You are going to go into the next question, that is 2, 3 and 5 mark questions. See, these are all 2 or 3 mark questions. Simple questions. It is just application into the numerical, just to the data. Now comes here long 5 mark questions. See here, long type of questions, 5 marks. In 5 marks you have, see here, 2 questions. One is 2.5, one is 2.5. So easy. Some it will be 2 marks and 3 marks. That also will be there. So watch carefully. See how this problem is solved, how the data is written, how you are substituting and everything. Yes, like that all the 5 mark questions solved are there for you, along with the explanation, detailed explanation. Students, this is the pro notes, correct? There is nothing copied, there is nothing, everything is from NCERT. So NCERT, if you study, as I said, it is a holy book. This is a very important question, an easy question also. So this is your question, basically all the 5 mark questions, everything. Now what is important is, students, remember case based questions are also there, case study questions, and careful, all the passage case based question is there, along with the assertion reasoning questions, and answers are there at the end. What is my request? Yes, students, remember we are doing or this videos for your board examination. I know you're all, you all have studied for the whole year, but this 1 month or 25 days is very, very crucial in your life, correct? Don't go for supplementary exams because the papers will be more tough. Only thing is, follow me regularly. I did one short videos, I did 100% of the syllabus for grade 10th, 11th and 12th. Only thing, join my Telegram, students. If you join my Telegram, I'll surely send this later, but not as of now. Please watch the video completely. I will send you. I'm there with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Please join the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. And all those who are associated with me since long, thank you. Those who are new to this channel, God bless you. Vani ma'am is always there with you. World of Chemistry is always there with you. Bye-bye. Take care. I'm going to start new series with organic chemistry where I'll do all put together. Don't worry. Alright. So next we will meet with DNF block chapter very soon. Bye bye. Thank you. Please share.